Welcome to today's thrilling video, where we bring you real-life moments of nature's raw power, caught on surveillance cameras and by chance. From massive floods and violent tornadoes to powerful earthquakes and raging wildfires, these events will leave you speechless. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support us in bringing you more jaw-dropping content. This is why we should always be prepared for the unexpected. This is one of the most intense storms I've ever seen. I can't believe this was caught on camera. This looks like something straight out of a disaster movie. There's no escape when the water moves this fast. This is why floods are one of the deadliest disasters. Surviving an event like this is a true miracle. Nature's power is truly unstoppable. Cars are floating like paper boats. How did they even survive this? That S is God power. You won't believe what happens next. The force of nature is truly beyond human control. Wildfire is spreading so fast, there's no way to stop it. Nature's fury is unstoppable. Is showing no mercy. This is relentless. The riverbanks have completely disappeared under this massive flood. Splitting the streets apart. This is catastrophic. The roads are vanishing under the flood. There's no escape. Landslide is unstoppable. This tornado is devouring everything in its path. Total destruction. That storm is so intense, it's wiping out everything in sight. Look at that firestorm. Unbelievable destruction in seconds. This is absolutely insane. This storm is out of control. This flood is turning highways into rivers in a matter of minutes. Nature is both beautiful and terrifying. These incredible moments remind us of how unpredictable and powerful our planet can be. But don't worry, most of us will never experience disasters like these in real life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing footage.